Crispy garlic Parmesan Drumsticks, everybody. Oh boy, this looks pretty good. You're with Instant Pot Dave with TheWildWaynes. We're going to use the Instant Pot today. Let's start it off with a half a cup of Parmesan cheese. I'm going to take that cheese, throw it in a bowl, break it up real good with 2 hands. I'm going to add some garlic lovers by Flavor God, some Italian zest by Flavor God, and some parsley, some salt, and some pepper. Let's mix it up real good, get an even coat of everything on our chicken. There's about a dozen chicken legs there. We get it all oily. We'll take a super sharp knife and we're gonna run it right around the top of our legs, cut those tendons off, and use the back of your knife, push the meat down. We'll smash it into that flavor we made. Pile it up, throw it into a 1 gallon Ziploc bag. Beat that flavor into the meat. Throw it in the refrigerator for no longer than 24 hours. Give it at least an hour. Stand up your drumsticks in that Instant Pot. We'll lid, seal, and pressure cook for about 18 minutes. We're going to make some cheese sauce, everybody. This is an option. Melt some butter, some chili powder, some garlic powder, some Flavor God bacon lovers, some black pepper, some paprika, and whole milk. We will also have this recipe linked in this video's description, along with the recipe here of the drumsticks with Flavor God seasoning alternatives. Oh boy, more cheese, that's what I'm talking about. That's how you make a cheese sauce, everybody. Okay, we have a hot air fryer basket. We oiled it up. We released our pressure after our 18 minutes. We're gonna take out our drumsticks and throw them right into our hot oiled basket for the air fryer. We'll stand them up in the air fryer basket just like they were in the Instant Pot. Oil them up, throw them in there for 15 minutes at 400 degrees. Take them out, they'll be perfectly crispy. Let them sit about 10 minutes. We got our vegetables on our plate with a few of our drumsticks. We're going to add our cheese sauce to just about everything we can. All right, everybody, grab yourself a drumstick. Dig in. Oh boy, that's good. Wow, yeah, that's good. All right, everybody, if you ever wanted a recipe to an incredible drumstick, you got one now. Just go to the video's description. We have a recipe in there. It's going to take you directly to our website. And we also have a link for the cheese sauce in there. It'll take you to our website. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell, get your notifications. And everybody, you all take care out there, okay? And I'll see you soon.